pinipindot. Ano naman? Babangka tayo, babangka. Babangka mo siya. Kabi ko, kabi ko. Babangka tayo. Oh, tingin oh. Tingin, yan na. Yan na, tingin. Dito sa kapila.
Maraming salamat to Kindergarten GMT Lancaster. Down to one of the most awaited portion and anticipated part of this program, the formal art and question and answer portion. So what we're going to get as the greatest stage.
Babangka tayo, babangka.
So ito na po, patinawag na po natin ang mga kandidato at kandidata. Diretso na po tayo sa Q&A. So judges, we're going to be picking your names in our special box. And then you'll be the one to ask this set of questions. So just in case, hindi mo na itinitira para,
Tapos na.
ulitin ko po ang tanong. And there will be possibilities that the kid may not complete the answer or give a thought that you might want to hear.
Tapos na ba natin? Tapos na?
Okay.
Tapos na ba?
Without further ado, let's
Ito yung sa
welcome our
palit naman daw, palit.
candidates in their leadership
Ayan.
with our GATP Council Vice President, Maria Cali Cassandra Sotolopo.
Sige, tapos mo na. Go! Sana si nanay tatay.